Here at Web Suppliers, this is where the Worldwide Engineering Brigade is showcasing some of its latest technology and inventions so that our recruits can gear up and practice for their next mission at Avengers Campus and beyond. If you've attended the Web Open House, you might have seen Peter Parker introduce his latest invention, which is the SpiderBot. And here at Web Suppliers, you can leave with your own SpiderBot. So you can purchase a base bot, which is a really cool toy to play with, but you can also purchase tactical upgrades that are each inspired by the different superheroes, and they unlock a different power set when you're playing with your SpiderBot. What's really fun about the SpiderBot is that if you find somebody else that has one, or maybe you purchase another SpiderBot, you can actually battle your bots together. At the Web Slingers A Spider-Man Adventure attraction, our guests are able to sling webs like Spider-Man. But if they come to Web Suppliers, they can purchase a Web Tech Gauntlet, which will completely change their powers on that attraction. If they then decide to purchase a power-up item like the Repulsor Gauntlet, this will then give them a completely new power set. At Web Suppliers, every fan can find something for themselves. There is a wide variety of web product like hats, t-shirts, and pins, so you can show your affinity for web.